was going to walk around and show you guys what Barry and I are going to be working on next. He's actually outside working on the last part of my office, and I'll turn you around, just kind of let you see the backyard. Like I said, we need to mow, we need to mulch. It's you know, never-ending story. Homeowners. Okay, my office is in that building right there, and it's actually a two-car garage, but it had a huge space on one side that we turned into my office. And there's Murphy. She's always very close. And then there's Mama's golf cart and Mama's cottage. And as you can see, the porch, it has cinder blocks for the base. Let me get over here so you can see a little bit better. And it's kind of been, you know, on my mind to do something about it since we moved here in December of, I don't know, 18 months ago, whenever that was. And that's a gas line going up to the grill, of which I'd love to have that relocated also. And I got these boxes filled with beautiful shades of gray AirStone product that we're going to be putting on the bottom of the porch. And I'm still debating on whether I'm going to paint the brick on the house, but I decided to get a product that it goes with the brick color now, and if I do decide to paint, it'll go with it then also. I'm going to be applying the AirStone with the premium Loctite glue, construction glue. And these come in, well, they're packaged very well. So far I haven't found any broken stones, but they're packaged very tightly in the boxes, and I'll show you. This is a gray color. I've got some out of the package that I can show you. But see all the packaging? This is one of the stones out of the packaging. And there's 3 different tones to this particular color, and the color is Spring Creek. Good morning, Kevin. I need you to hop in your car and come down here and help me do this patio. It's 3 sides that we're going to be doing, and I believe there's 18 boxes of AirStone that we'll be using the Loctite adhesive on. And I'll walk over here and show you the corner where the cinder block meets the brick. Hopefully you can see that okay. So the stones come in cornerstones also, so we'll be starting on one of the outside corners and working our way in. And I laid out some, of course the shadows are, the sun is so bright. But I laid out like a sampling outside the plastic so you can tell what it looks like. And even though the pieces are different sizes, say for instance, this is one of the larger pieces, it matches up with these 2. So that it should fit like a beautiful puzzle once it's finished. Thanks, Jenny. Yeah, I think it's going to look great too. These blocks on the bottom of the patio they've been driving me crazy since day one, and I was trying to figure out, I thought about painting it, I thought about all kinds of things, and I'm just very fortunate to be able to work with AirStone on this project. And what I'm going to do is we're going to start on this corner, because there's corner pieces, and once you get the corner started, because the pieces, there's 2 pieces for each section, and then they match up perfectly, and then we'll just go down this side, and then we'll do the same for the other side. There's 3 sides that we'll be doing. And I'll keep you guys updated, because we're doing this ourselves. It'll probably take us, and we'll be working, after hours and stuff, so it'll take us a little while. But I'll keep you updated, and once we get a few pieces on in the next week or so, I'll come back and show you how it looks. Thanks, Janet. Yeah, I'm hoping, which you can see the brick has like a couple of dark bricks in it. Even if we decide to paint the brick, you know, the gray will still look really good. But I was thinking, you know, some of those gray shades in there. And then I'll walk from back here so you can see it a little better. Anyway, it really needs it. To me, it'll be like a finishing touch to finish off the porch. And guys, I just wanted to hop on here real quick. I'm going to go help Barry in our office, finishing that up. But thanks for watching, and the product is AirStone. If you guys want to look it up, I'll put a link to their site so you can look at it. They've got some really neat colors, and several of my friends have used the product, and I think it looks great. You can use it inside and outside, but for our application we needed it outside. And then I'll be using the Loctite glue to adhere it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you have a great weekend, and I think you kind of can see what I'll be doing this weekend. Talk to you later.